What's going on, guys? Stefan, Maverick with you today, S&E's Garage. Today we're here with our 2007 Dodge Ram 2500. And for a while we've been trying to find the source of our water intrusion into this truck. These two compartments down here seem to be collecting water. And I was finally able to detect down on that side, I'll show you, there's like drips coming down from behind or above the rear window. And I think that I've narrowed it down to the rear tail light, the third brake light gasket. So we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna pull that out. There's two Phillips head screws, you can see one on each side. We're gonna get it out, get it down, bring it in the garage. Me and Maverick are gonna show you just how to replace that seal. Guys, so just like I mentioned, we have a Phillips head screw on either side here. Just gonna use my gun, pull them right out. So the gasket that I ordered that's supposed to be right is actually wrong. And we got some rain coming. So for right now, I'm just gonna RTV this thing back on. I'm gonna order the correct gasket, and I'll show you how to replace it when the new one comes in. So stay tuned. Alright guys, so we're back here with the Dodge, and we have the correct tail lamp seal. So what we need to do now is clean all of the mating surface of where the new seal is gonna stick off of this tail light, and we're going to do the same thing at the truck. I'm going to show you how to apply it. Alright guys, so I used some brake clean and a rag, and I wiped it off real good. I got the new seal applied. So now we're going to go over to the truck. I'm going to clean that area real good. I got to scrape some of the RTV that I put on there off, and then we're going to install this. Alright guys, so don't use RTV on this ever, because that was a pain in the butt to clean off. And not only that, this car was painted at one point. It used to be silver, as you can see. Some of the RTV pulled the paint right off, so don't do that. But we got our taillight here with the new foam installed. This area is all cleaned up. I'm just going to reinstall my clips, which I put right here, put the light back in and screw it in. Alright guys, and there it is. If you have a third gen 2500, 1500, 3500, and you have a water leak getting into the back of your cab, definitely start with the third brake light, because when I pulled this out the first time, you could definitely see that the seal was compromised. So I hope this helps. Please like, share, subscribe. Maverick would definitely appreciate it if you guys subscribed. Right, buddy? Say subscribe. See you on the next one.